Have you ever noticed how some days your mind feels sharp and aligned, and other days it feels scattered, even when you're trying your best? A lot of people turn to motivation hacks, journaling, or mindset tools, but many of those techniques only affect surface-level habits. Recently, researchers studying how the brain communicates internally found something interesting. Your left and right hemispheres share information through specific patterns, and those patterns may influence how clear, calm, and focused you feel. A simple sound-guided method was created based on this idea. It's designed to gently support mental clarity and a more balanced internal state. It doesn't make bold promises, but many people say it helps them feel more centered and steady throughout the day. If you've been feeling mentally overloaded or unfocused lately, this approach might give you something new to explore. There's a short educational video that explains the research behind it and why so many people are curious about this method. Tap the link to watch the presentation and decide for yourself if it aligns with what you're looking for.